Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer your data, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to open the WhatsApp app on the phone from which you want to receive the data. I'm going to open the WhatsApp on this phone, and here I have a fresh new WhatsApp, and now I'm going to transfer data. So let's see how. You can easily use a WhatsApp on your two phones. You just open your agree and continue and here tab on it. And here just select three dots in the top right corner. Then select link as companion device. Just like that you will get this app interface. Now you just have to open the WhatsApp in the second phone. Open it. Here I have a WhatsApp account. Now I am going to transfer my WhatsApp data from this phone to this phone. So let's see how. Just tap on three dots in the top right corner in this phone, and here just select link devices. And here you just have to select link a device and then select OK and then scan this QR code. Just like that, you just have to scan the QR code and then wait for it. You can see that data is transferring. So that's how you can easily transfer your data from one Android phone to any Android phone. You can use your WhatsApp on two phones at a time. So let's see how I'm going to send a message from this phone just like that. So the same message will be sent from the other phone. So that's how you can easily transfer WhatsApp data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.